On today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up, they toe-nailed the boards and screwed them, so it's been fun getting that up. But yeah, this is our next project over here. It's looking good, everything looks in order. I don't see any rot, no damage. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, so it looks like they sprayed that foam. It looks like that board was already rotted out. They just covered the completely rotted out rim board with the spray foam. Because all that spray foam was pushing out on the deck and the plywood. I'm trying to see right here. See, the plywood was right into the place big. So that rot had come out through the front of the plywood already from down in the basement. And I'm not sure what's on the door yet, but there's our update. Alright, we got the blocks in. This is pretty fucking rotten in there. Especially right in there. Got the blocking in. I cut it out. It was real bad here. It was spongy. I wanted it to actually hit something. I gotta put the other side in. And we got it over there. I did the same thing on that one. It was really spongy and bad. But yeah, well, now we all have to do is crank her in to that ledger board that's perfectly straight and tight and level. Got a few brackets set in. We use longer ones so we can mark the height to get it at the right height. So when we take this temporary beam down there that's made out of KD out, it will all fall into the right brackets, and then we'll put the new brackets on when it's all together.